Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to convert Excel to CSV file. We will start by opening the Excel file. Here you will see the data to convert. After that, you are going to go to the Home menu and click on Save As. Select where you will save the Excel file. Here in the Save As type field, click on the option CSV, delimited, assign a name and click Save. You can open the file you have stored to verify that it was created in this format. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.